Hi y'all, Carrie D here, host of Coffee with Carrie Homeschool Podcast and the author of Just Breathe and Take a Sip of Coffee. And I'm here to help you homeschool one step at a time, one day at a time, and one cup of coffee at a time. So I wanted to share with you a couple of curriculums that we've used over the years that have just been fabulous, but they're not as well known as some of the other homeschooling curriculums that are out there. So today I wanted to share with you the curriculum 5 in a Row. Now this is a great curriculum. They have before 5 in a Row, which would be for like preschoolers, and then they even have beyond 5 in a Row now, which uses chapter books for older kids. But my favorite is 5 in a Row, and the reason it's called 5 in a Row is because they pick classic, beautiful picture books like Ping, The Story of Ping, or Blueberries for Sal, and you read that picture book 5 days in a row. But then what 5 in a Row book here, or the curriculum, helps you do is that each day it gives you ideas as to what you can learn that has to do with that book. So let's just say you read a Story of Ping on the first day, and then it'll give you some geography activities and things that you can do to learn about China. And then you read it the next day, The Story of Ping, and then it gives you ideas as to how you can do some science activities to learn about ducks. And then you read it again the next day, The Story of Ping, and then it might give you some ideas of how you can apply some math skills, either through cooking or measuring, that have to do with the story. Okay, so it's a great way to read aloud to your kids. So there you go, you're reading aloud with your kids. But then if you get the 5 in a Row book, it then gives you activities to integrate social studies, geography, science, applied mathematics, English, reading, grammar, almost everything, art, music. It will be integrated with just about every single story that they suggest you read. So you read it 5 days in a row, and then each day you do 1 or 2 of the activities that go with it. It's super fun, it's super easy, and it's a great way to learn all of the different things that you want your kids to learn as a family, but all at one time while reading a really great picture book. All right, it's called 5 in a Row. Enjoy.